Today, we're diving deep into the world of AI-generated content on YouTube channels and debunking 5 common myths that might have held you back. Let's clear the air and discover the incredible potential of AI in the YouTube realm. Myth 1: AI channels can't get monetized. AI-generated content can be monetized on YouTube. The issue is with copyrighted and repetitive material, which may lead to claims or strikes. But don't worry, these claims can be disputed and removed with proper authorization and good editing. Monetization is absolutely within reach for AI channel. Myth 2: using AI voices prevents videos from getting monetized. Not true. AI-generated voices can be used in videos, but there's a catch. Your content must be original, valuable, and engaging. The key is to use realistic AI voices, not low-quality text-to-speech software. Combine engaging content with lifelike AI voices, and you're on the right path to monetization success. I would personally recommend Well Said Labs. Myth 3: AI channels make less money than regular channels. The amount of money a channel makes depends on factors like CPM, RPM, and watch time, not on whether the content is AI generated or not. High-quality AI content can earn as much as human-created content. It's all about captivating your audience, regardless of the tools you use. Myth 4: YouTube punishes videos that use stock clips. Don't let this myth scare you away from using stock clips. YouTube actually encourages the use of stock clips, as long as they're not copyrighted and you have the necessary permissions. These clips can enhance your storytelling and are widely used by successful channels. So go ahead, get creative, and take advantage of those amazing stock resources. Myth 5: AI-based channels don't require much effort. While AI tools can save time, creating an AI-based channel still requires effort and adherence to YouTube's quality parameters. Remember, original and valuable content is the key to success on YouTube, regardless of whether it's AI-generated or human-created. So, put in the effort, keep refining your content, and watch your channel thrive. So, there you have it. 5 myths about AI-based YouTube channels debunked. We hope this video has shed some light on the potential of AI in content creation. If you enjoyed debunking these myths with us, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's debunk those doubts together.